Yeah, I'm gonna make a bench out of this pallet here. That in conjunction with maybe a couple of those. All right, these are some of the slats from that pallet, and just kind of roughly putting this together. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut 45s and fit up these corners nice. That way get a better fit. Could do it like that, but I think I'm gonna go 45s. What I'll do is I'll take a pencil and just kind of scribe a line in which direction the 45s are gonna go. I'm just tacking together the corners with this here. Okay, so now the box, just cut slats to fit right down in here. I got a flat surface I'm working on, and so I just cut all my slats here and nail them in like that. This will be my kind of my top surface there. I gotta fix this corner, but that's kind of the idea. It took me about an hour to get all the nails out of these things for my legs. All right, I'm gonna make the legs 18 inches. All right, cut the legs for these things. That pine smells good. Putting some longer brad nails in for these legs. Okay, and in going with this design, I need to run a strip along here. So when people sit on this, it doesn't buckle. So I've got it nailed in pretty good. It still needs a strip. Got some pallets. I'm gonna make a little chess playing bench out of it. I already got the pallet all harvested. Now I just kind of gotta knock the nails out of there. Now I'm just gonna cut 45s in all the corners and basically make a rectangle. All right, so now what I do is you gotta decide which side you want for the top. And so the other side's gonna be the top. I'm just cutting boards and laying them down in there, and then I'm just gonna pop some brad nails in here, just to kind of tack it into place. And flipping it over, it's gonna look like this. So sometimes you have to get a little help with the hammer to get it flush. Maybe even a little bit more. Do the same thing all the way across. One of the cool things I like to do is reuse these old nails from pallets that I pulled out of old pallets, and so, you know, I've brad nailed them in, so you can't really see that, but this gives it a nice little touch. So I'll pop in a couple nails just to really hold them into place and add to the look of it too. All right, I got these as the cutoffs from my other pallet. It's gonna be the legs. I cut them all the same length too. All right, I'm switching to a longer brad nail tooth because I'm nailing the legs. I had some of these here just for the pallets, but for the slats, but I'm going for the big ones now. Yeah, just nail it in here, nail it in here. I'm gonna go ahead and run the belt sander on that. Pretty easy. I like these legs. I wish I could get more of those. Normal pallets don't have that, but just run a sander on here, so it's a little rough. Well, for some added reinforcement too, I'm putting a little strip here. That way whoever sits on this thing, whatever, or stands on it, just extra strength here. Put one here, one there.